Welcome back to RVnGO.com. Today, we're showing hosts how to synchronize your RVnGO calendars with your phone or computer. After signing in, hover over the Host tab and click on Calendar. Here's our calendar, and we want to get it onto our phones and computers. Go up to the blue button that says Export/Subscribe and click on it. You'll be given two options: export your current calendar or subscribe to receive ongoing calendar updates. Export means you download the calendar as it looks right now, and that's all you get. Subscribing means that whenever you update your calendar on RVnGO.com, it will automatically update the calendar on your phone or computer. We're going to walk through both steps real quick. To export, simply click the words "Click here" in green. This will download a file to your computer, and then you just click on that file. It will automatically open up your calendar program, which can depend on if you're using Microsoft Outlook, Google Calendar, or Apple Calendar. As you can see, my calendar is immediately updated with my RVnGO one, and that's how exporting works. If you'd like to receive continuous calendar updates, click the green button to copy this URL. You're going to be pasting it into your calendar here in a second. I'm going to walk you through how to do this on Microsoft Outlook first, then Google Calendar, and finally Apple Calendar. For Microsoft Outlook, click on the Calendar button at the bottom of your screen, then click the Add button at the top right of your screen. Choose the option From Internet. This is where you paste the URL, and once you do that, hit OK. It'll ask you if you want to subscribe to the calendar, to which you should say yes. This will give you a second parallel calendar that will be used for your future RVnGO reservations. Now to Google Calendar. At the bottom left, click on the plus sign next to Other Calendars, then select From URL. Paste in the RVnGO URL you copied and hit Add Calendar. And that's it. Finally, Apple's Calendar. Click on File in the top left corner and select New Calendar Subscription. Paste in the URL and hit Subscribe. For all three of these calendar programs, you can also name your new RVnGO subscription calendar and select what sort of notifications you want to receive and how frequently you want to receive them. Once you apply your preferred settings, hit OK. Boom, done. And that's it. You've successfully synced up your calendars. Keep an eye out for more videos regarding the host calendar, and if you have any further questions regarding the RVnGO website, feel free to reach out through our email, support@rvngo.com, or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.